The era of the traditional desktop is officially dead, and Apple just hammered the final nail into the coffin. For years, we've heard the same story. If you want real power, you need a tower. You need a massive, power-hungry machine that sits under your desk and sounds like a jet engine taking off. But something shifted deep inside the labs at Cupertino. While the world was looking at the MacBook Pro and the Vision Pro, Apple was quietly perfecting the ultimate sleeper hit, the machine that offers more power per square inch than anything else in human history. I'm talking about the M5 Mac Mini, and trust me when I tell you, this isn't just a spec bump. It is a total architectural revolution that makes the M2 and M3 look like toys. If you are holding off on a purchase, or if you're currently rocking an older Intel or M1 Mac, you need to stop everything. What I'm about to reveal regarding the M5 Silicon, the thermal redesign, and the price-to-performance ratio will change your entire buying strategy for 2026. We are diving into why the M5 Mac Mini is the most dangerous computer Apple has ever built. Dangerous for the competition, and dangerous for Apple's own high-end studio line. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M5 chip. We've moved past the era of simple 5nm or 3nm processes. The M5 is built on a breakthrough 2nm architecture that shouldn't even be possible yet. What does that actually mean for you? It means the density of transistors is so high that the electrical signals travel shorter distances at higher speeds with almost zero heat waste. When you press render on a 4K ProRes timeline or open a massive 3D environment, the M5 doesn't just work, it breathes. It handles tasks that used to make the Mac Studio sweat, and it does it in a box that fits in the palm of your hand. But power is nothing without intelligence. The M5 features a completely overhauled neural engine designed specifically for the Apple Intelligence era. This isn't just about faster Siri. We are talking about local LLMs, large language models, running directly on your desktop without an internet connection. Imagine an AI that learns your workflow, pre-renders your videos in the background, and organizes your files based on the context of your projects, all while maintaining 100% privacy. This is the first Mac Mini that feels like it's thinking with you, not just for you. Now let's talk about the design, because Apple finally did it. For nearly 15 years, the Mac Mini looked exactly the same, but the M5 model has finally shrunk. By leveraging the extreme efficiency of the 2nm M5 chip, Apple has reduced the footprint by 30%. It's now closer to the size of an Apple TV, yet it packs a power supply that is more efficient than ever. They've moved the ports around for better cable management, and for the first time in history, we are seeing front-facing ports on the base model. No more reaching around the back like a blind person trying to find a USB-C slot. It sounds like a small change, but for anyone who actually uses their Mac for work, it's a godsend. But here is the part that should scare the PC industry: the unified memory architecture. On the M5, the memory bandwidth has been pushed to a staggering 400 gigabytes per second on the Pro models. To put that in perspective, that is faster than many dedicated high-end gaming GPUs. If you are a creative professional, a photographer, a video editor, a coder, the spinning beach ball is officially a thing of the past. You can have 80 Chrome tabs open,